Students, so we are in chapter 15, that is your e-commerce. So you people know what do you mean by e-commerce? Yes, buying and selling that you people are going to do by means of internet, that is called as your e-commerce. Okay, ma? So in the previous class we finished the definition that is related to e-commerce. Similarly, what are the commodities that you people transfer by means of using e-commerce? Everything we have discussed, and in this session we are going to have the next topic. It is evolution of e-commerce. What do you mean by evolution? Evolution means growth. So for example, you people consider a child. Immediately a child will not come to the world. First it will be like a small baby, then by means of certain growth and some means of some food items that is given, there will be a growth will be seen in that child, and finally it will be reaching a adult stage. Similarly, for a e-commerce to evolve or seen in this world by nowadays, it has to go through a series of growth steps. So each and every steps or the birth to e-commerce started few decades ago, and nowadays it is going on. The growth continues to grow exponentially. It is going on. The development is going on. So when was that e-commerce evolved for you? Means yes, it first evolved in the year 1970. First, this concept was introduced or evolved in the year 1970. Yes, so for this to be for us, we are in need of two. We are in mainly need of some technologies, no? So you people consider by now, you people are by means of online, you people are purchasing the products. For that, what you people are in need? Yes, you people are in need of a laptop or your cell phone or your computer. Then the next step that you are in need is internet connection. That is you must be in the network. Yes, that is the case by nowadays. So in the early, yes, just by means of two technologies, that is by means of EDI and teleshopping, and by means of another one concept, that is your teleshopping. Yes, by means of these two concepts only, yearly, that is in the 1970, e-commerce concept started for you. What do you mean by EDI? EDI is nothing but electronic data interchange. So you people are going to change the data in an electronic format, means it is your EDI. And the next one, it is your teleshopping. What do you mean by teleshopping? Yes, teleshopping is nothing but you people are going to be in one place and you people are going to make the order and it is going to reach you. Okay, wow? So teleshopping means shopping at a distance from your home. You people can make the orders and the product will be with you. So that is teleshopping. By combining these two concepts only, we are having e-commerce nowadays. So in the early 1970, this started for you. Okay, wow? Similarly, yes, so this e-commerce is more or less, or it is fully related with the history of internet. So both the internet history and the e-commerce are twisted together. Both are going. So when the internet grows for you, along with that one, e-commerce is also going on for you. Okay, wow? So e-commerce became really possible. When it is possible for you, when e-commerce is possible for you people, when you people are having the internet connection only, e-commerce is possible for you. So when internet was open to commercial, so you people know early internet was mainly used in military bases of America. Okay, so mainly internet, that is networks only used in the place of military. But after some years, they allowed that internet concept to the commercial use. So when the internet concept came as a commercial, e-commerce also starts to grow. Okay, wow? So here, after that one only, the online shopping started for you. So similar in the case, many business started to proceed with their business by means of e-com, that is e-concept, that is your electronic concept. Okay, wow? So don't forget, just by means of progress in the internet technology, all that is everything, or what else you people are willing to have everything start to grow more for you. So many community like large number of .coms, fintech and internet startups, everything become to appear. So early when it is introduced, just it is like a small, but nowadays many organization, many enterprises are going on with this e-concept only. Okay, wow. And the next point it is the internet has provided new commercial potential. So this e-commerce concept is not only mainly used for large business also by means of this internet connection, which is also going to use many small business, small organizations are also using this e-commerce concept. Not only big organizations are using e-commerce concept by means of internet, small organizations are also going on with this e-commerce concept. Okay, wow. That is SME. What do you mean by SME? What do you mean by SME? Yes, that is nothing but small and medium enterprises. Okay, wow. So don't forget, just by means of internet only this concept, okay, wow, this e-commerce concept is possible for small and medium enterprises. So nowadays we can tell e-commerce is not only for large and big organization and for the private networks also. It belongs to everyone. It belongs to whole throughout the world. Okay, wow. Similarly, in the year 1979, a person called Michael Aldrich. Okay, well, he is an English interpreter. So this person started to perform the online transactions between whom and whom? Between the consumers, that is your customers, and the business. Similarly, between the business and business also. This person started that one. So later this technology or this concept only became a big process for you, and that is called as your e-commerce. So in the early day he introduced this one, that is in the year 1980. He introduced this concept by means of a device, that is your multi-purpose home information device called as teleputer. He used a device that is called as your teleputer in the year 1980. So in 1979 itself, this person started to introduce his concepts, that is the transaction or the relationship between the transaction processing between the consumer and the business, or business and business also. But in the year 1980, he used a device that is called as your teleputer. So teleputer is nothing but it is a multi-purpose home information device. Okay, ma'am. So by the name itself, you people could got an idea. So which and all will be combined together for you. Yes, this teleputer is nothing but it is a fusion. Fusion means it is a combination of, okay, ma'am, it is a combination of computer. It is a combination of computer, television. It is just a combination of computer, television, and telecom networking technologies and telecom networking technologies. So okay, wow. So in the 1980, this person Michael Aldrich used a device that is nothing but it is your teleputer. So it is nothing but it is a fusion of television, computer and telecom networking. So clear with this one, the person who introduced, and in which year the evolution of e-commerce started for you people. Don't forget, just by means of the support of the internet only, all that is small and the medium enterprises are able to proceed with their business, that is their e-commerce, very easily. Yes. Although e-commerce has been existing since few decades, it has recently only started growing. Yes, just it has happened by means of only internet. So internet has transferred from an auxiliary communication medium of academies and large organizations to a enhanced communication medium that extends nearly all parts of mainstream society for you. Don't forget, just by means of internet only, all the small and the medium sized enterprises are able to move to a large. Everything can be done in a mainstream way. Don't forget, only by means of internet only everything is possible. Similarly, it integrated with the commercialization of internet, personal computers and electronic payment made the e-commerce flourish more. So what else transaction that you people are going to do? Everything can be paid by means of electronic payment. So these points develop the growth of e-commerce for you. So clear with this one. So to repeat again for you, the growth of e-commerce is also related to socio-technological changes. What do you mean by technological? Scientific changes, something will happen, no? So that is called as your technological changes. When you people will be having technological changes, yes, we can continue with that one. So the more the medium becomes deep rooted, the more users will be drawn. So if the medium means the mode it is going to use, medium to be deep rooted, more consumers will be, that is your customers will be attracted. Consumers will be more for you. So if the consumers is more, what will happen? Yes, increase of users will lead to increase of markets. Increase of markets. So here you can have increase of users or consumers. So increase of users will lead to increase of market. As the market expand, what will happen? Yes, many business organization are attracted. So here many business organization are attracted. Okay, va? So the more business accumulate, it create competition. If you going to have more business, then there you people will be having competition. Then there you will be having competition. So this competition leads to innovation. This competition leads to innovation for you. So innovation in turn drives the development of technology. This lead to the development of technology. Okay, wow. So this is your growth of e-commerce related to the socio-technological changes. The first point is, if the medium is deep rooted for you, there you people will be having more consumers, that is customers, that is users. If the users start increasing, you will be having increase of markets. If there is increase of markets for you, many business organization will be attracted towards that. So if there are many business organization, so there you people will be having competition. So this competition will lead to innovation, and this innovation in turn drives to, that is lead to development of technology. So technology facilitates the e-commerce growth. So nowadays you people are having a well developed e-commerce is just it is by means of technology development only. So clear with this one. So by means of this, you people are able to understand how the socio-technological changes affect the e-commerce. Next we can see the person who first performed the true e-commerce transaction for you. Okay, ma? So in the year 1994. So it is August 11, 1994 for you people. Okay, wow. So by means of that is by noon day. That is noon of the day, a person named Phil. A person named Phil and he is of USA. He is from USA. So this person ordered a music CD. So this person ordered a music CD online in the by means of online. So the name of the CD is also given for you people, and he paid amount of $12.48, $12.48 plus shipping charges also. He paid this much amount to which concern? Yes, that concern is another part of USA. Then that is cone of. Yes, it is in another part of USA. It is in another part of USA. He performed this transaction. So don't forget, he performed the transaction by means of credit card. He finished the payment also by means of credit card, and he is able to have his delivery of the product in the correct time. So who is the first person to perform the e-commerce transaction? E-commerce transaction. First e-commerce transaction. So it happens in the year August 1994, August 11. The person performed this one is Phil from USA. He ordered a music CD online and paying the amount and plus the shipping charges to the another part of USA, another part of USA. He paid the transaction, everything payment through by means of credit card. So he is the first person who performed the online transaction. Yes, next we can see a diagrammatic representation of e-commerce evolution, that is timeline, how in each and every year how the development proceed, that we can see by now. Yes students, so this is your timeline showing the evolution of e-commerce. So first it begins in the year 1960. So there only we introduced we are having a concept that is EDI. So by means of this EDI, every online shopping started for you. That is, electronic data interchange allows companies to carry out electronic transactions to online shopping. That it happens in the year 1960. So next in the year 1979, already just now I told you, a person called Michael Aldrich converted a TV set to a computer with a phone line, okay, and created teleshopping. What do you mean by teleshopping? Yes, teleshopping is nothing but shopping at a distance. And next in the year 1981, what happened? Yes, first business to business transaction that is by Thomson Holidays. A concern called Thomson Holidays performed the business to business transaction. And next in 1984, that email was launched for you. The users could purchase items directly from 110 online merchants. So 1984, electronic mail is launched. And next in 1991, what happened for you? Yes, internet is now commercial. So when internet was commercial for you? In the year 1991. So an organization is responsible to allow the internet for commercial. Yes, what is the name of that organization? Yes, it is nothing but National Science Foundation. So it is nothing but National Science Foundation. So this organization is the responsible for allowing the internet as commercial for you, okay, so the next in the year in August 1994, yes, first secure transaction happened. So online retailer, the company name is Netmarket, makes the first secure retail transaction on the web. So what actually they transact means a copy of Strings album. Album was transact by means of them, okay, so the next in the year, that is in the year 1994 October, so a person called Geo McCambly ran the first ever online banner ad. It okay va, and by means of this he promoted 7 art museums. So August 1994, first secure transaction. The next in October 1994, first online banner ad for you. Okay va, and next in July 1995, what happened for you? July 1995, yes, Amazon started its business. So Amazon sold its first item. Sold its first book item. Okay va. So that item is nothing but it's a science book. So it sold a science book in 1995, July 1995. And next in September 1995, what happened? eBay. eBay sold its first item. Okay va. So that is nothing but a broken laser pointer. And in 1999, what happened for you? Online only shop Zappos open. So it is only online. Okay va. Zappos open in the year 1999. In 2005, what happened for you? Yes, it is your social commerce. It is your social commerce. And next, 2008, Groupon is launched. And 2009, so the rate increases in India. Okay va. So the sale of e-commerce increases in e-commerce sale increase in India. In which year? So 2009. Yes, in July 1995, Amazon sold its first item, that is your science textbook. And September 1995, eBay sold its first item, that is a broken laser pointer. So in the year 1999, the first online shop only, that is Zappos shops opens for you. 2005, it is your social commerce. What do you mean by social? Yes, the people, those who are using the social media, started to buy their things online. So that is, since they perform the transactions by means of seeing a social media, no, so that is your social commerce. So the next, in the year 2008, Groupon is launched for you. In the year 2009, India's total e-commerce sale is 3.9 billion American dollar, until it is going on for you. So in the year 2018, with mobile commerce, it is to increase more for you, that is increase up to 850 billion American dollar. So by 2009, it is just only 3.9 billion American dollar. By 2018, it could have increased to 850 billion American dollar. So clear with the points. What else we have discussed by now? That is nothing but, first we have discussed the evolution of e-commerce. So first we discussed, yes, it is a new type introduced in the year 1970. It started early, but it starts mainly in the year 1970 only. Okay va. So then a person named Michael Aldrich in 1979, he performed the transactions between whom? Consumers and business, or between business. And 1980, he introduced a multi-purpose home infotainment device called teleporter. Teleporter is nothing but a fusion of television, computer and telecom networking. Okay va. So mainly the internet, mainly by means of internet only, e-commerce starts developing for you. Okay va. So don't forget, although big organizations are able to do their transaction by means of internet, Yes, by nowadays, small and medium enterprises are able to compete with a large organization, large enterprise, just by means of this internet concept. Okay, wow. So internet transformed everything from small part to we can move on to the large part. Similarly, it integrated with the personal computers and electronic payment. It flourishes. That it is it's made the e-commerce more good, that is more fertile for that one. It starts to flourish more. Similarly, e-commerce is also related to socio-technological changes. What it is? If the medium is deep-rooted, more users are drawn to it. So increase in users lead to increase in market. So if the market expand, more business organization are attracted. If more business are there, it lead to competition. So the competition lead to innovation. So innovation in turn lead to the development of technology. So don't forget, which business organization that adapt to that technology changes can flourish nowadays. And this is the timeline describing the various events in e-commerce. So 1960, it is nothing but it is your EDI. 1979, teleshopping. I repeat, what do you mean by teleshopping? Yes, teleshopping is shopping at a distance. And the next one, 1981, first business to business transaction. 1984, email was introduced. 1991, now the internet is commercial, and it is told as a commercial by means of National Science Foundation. So just by means of this internet commercial only, e-commerce started to flourish for you. So in August 1994, first secure transaction happened. In October 1994, first online banner ad was introduced. And July 1995, Amazon sold its first item, that is your science book. And September 1995, eBay sold its first item. 1990, first online shop, that is Zappos, is open. 2005, social commerce was introduced, and 2008, Groupon is launched, and 2009, e-commerce sale is increased, and 2018, though what else revenue they are getting by means of this e-commerce could have increased more than above 265%. So clear with the concept that we have discussed in evolution of e-commerce. Yes, remaining we can continue in the next class. Yes, thank you students.